Ecowize has been protecting brands in the food and beverage industry for over 20 years, executing world-class services, products, technologies, solutions, and systems. Ecowize forms an integral part in the food safety value chain and is considered an essential service business. The key services which we offer our clients are hygiene, sanitation, and pest control. This video will outline various career options in the food safety industry and identify the qualifications required in order to gain entry into the available positions. Today's consumers expect food to be consistent in taste, color, and texture, but most of all, to be safe to consume. Maintaining a clean work environment is critical in preventing foodborne illness. Bacteria can grow on unsanitary surfaces and then contaminate food. Just because a work surface looks clean does not mean that it is sanitary. In South Africa, there is no single food law which governs compliance. Instead, we have many acts that cover a wide range of food production and food safety activities, such as the Agricultural Product Standards Act, the Meat Safety Act, and the Cosmetics and Disinfectants Act. Sometimes these acts overlap, and this is why Ecowize offers a solution-driven approach to ensure food safety. We have become a leader in ensuring the effective management of our clients' hygiene and sanitation operations. We ensure that their brands are protected. The cleaning industry is split into hygiene and sanitation operations, pest control and hygiene, and high-level or specialized cleaning. Potential careers in the cleaning services industry include hygiene operator, high-level hygiene operator, high-level cleaning supervisor, site supervisor, deep clean manager, site manager, and pest control operator. When starting your career in the cleaning industry, you will need experience as a hygiene operator. So what's it all about? As a hygiene operator, you will play an important role to ensure that Ecowize delivers a food-safe site to our clients every day. You will be required to work across all of the production areas and will be responsible for ensuring that all machines and the site meet strict standards of hygiene at all times. So what does a hygiene operator do? A role like this will vary and will require you to complete a number of tasks at a particular site. You will be required to carry out scheduled daily cleaning tasks, work within a specific time frame and often under pressure, clean processing equipment, deep clean production areas, conduct post-cleaning checks, ensure that all paperwork is completed correctly, ensure that everything you do complies with company procedures for health, safety and hygiene, and ensure that cleaning equipment is correctly stored and maintained. So what can you expect in this role? This is a great role for someone with a high degree of self-motivation and a passion for food safety. You can expect to clean food production facilities on a daily basis, and in this way, you will be playing an essential part in ensuring the health and safety of thousands of consumers. But you need to keep in mind that some production environments are hot and others are cold and wet. We specialize in cleaning fisheries, poultry farms, and meat abattoirs. So you cannot be squeamish about cleaning meat waste. A fair level of fitness is also needed to lift equipment and operate a high-pressure hose. Your communication skills will also need to be good in order to understand technical cleaning requirements and also to report any issues as these arise. So what qualifications do you need? If you apply externally, then your previous experience will be an important consideration. However, the more qualifications you have, the better. Essential qualifications for this field are Level 1 and 2 Food Safety, Health and Safety, and HACCP, which stands for Hazard Analysis Critical Control Points. There are different training courses that will enhance your ability to do your job and also improve your opportunities for promotion to a supervisory or management role. And what about the pay? The pay rate for a hygiene operator is regulated by the sectorial determination. Employers are obligated to pay the set wage rates as determined by the sectorial determination for the contract cleaning sector. What about further training? Another exciting role within the cleaning and sanitation industry is the high-level cleaning, and all you will need to gain access to this role is a rope access training certificate. A high-level hygiene operator performs specialized cleaning in structural areas above 2 meters. You are required to use ladder access, rope access, and a water-fed pole system. Only a rope access certified operator can be appointed to perform high-level cleaning duties. If you are someone that enjoys taking cleaning to new heights, then consider completing your rope access certification. It is very important to remember before scheduling any working at heights training that you need to select a service provider that is IRATA registered. From a hygiene operator, you can then move into a more senior role as a supervisor, tasked to not only oversee operations but also to train and develop staff to do their best. You will need at least 2 years of work experience within a production environment or cleaning industry. It is essential that you are able to delegate instruction effectively. You also need to be comfortable in dealing with employee matters and need to have a level of assertiveness to be great in this role. Remember, you need to be hands-on in managing the cleaning processes as you will be required to induct and train staff on a regular basis. With dedication and hard work, you can aspire to become a site manager. The role of a site manager is to ensure that Ecowize delivers a food safe facility to our client according to our policies and procedures while leading your team to optimum efficiency. Essential skill sets to have in order to become a site manager are planning and organizing skills, general business exposure, previous experience in management or leading a team, good interpersonal skills and the ability to manage pressure, exceptional communication skills both verbally and written, and the ability to lead by example and motivate staff. So what is a pest control operator? Pest control operators identify and remove pests from domestic and commercial buildings. Pest control operators are qualified to identify and manage pest control programs, referred to as integrated pest management. Integrated pest management is tailored to each client and relevant industry and includes HACCP regulations. Before you can conduct any work, you must be registered as a pest control operator. You are legally required to be technically competent in pesticide usage and therefore cannot practice as an operator unless you have received appropriate training. So what does it take to become a pest control operator? A pest control operator cannot be scared to work in confined dark spaces, as this is often the areas that we need to service. A pest control operator will also be required to move through tight spaces and sometimes work in uncomfortably hot or cold conditions. So how do I become a pest control operator? Step 1 is to complete training. A potential pest control operator will need to complete training in order to become registered. Employers often provide pest control training programs covering pesticide application and key aspects of the job like managing rodents and termites. A prospective pest control operator can register for a 3-day short course to start and complete the certificate in pest control over a longer period via distance learning. This may take a few years to complete. Step 2 is to complete the exam. You need to complete examinations and show competency in theoretical work as well as practical scenarios. You also need to gain 6 months practical experience under the supervision of a registered operator with a registered company. Step 3 is to register as a pest control operator. Pest control operators must be registered with the Department of Agriculture. After completion of the practical, you can apply with the Department of Agriculture for this pre-registration. If you have already gained the required experience, you can apply for registration immediately after completing the qualification. Our hygiene and sanitation roles, which you can gain access to through experience, are the hygiene operator. All you will need is grade 12, effective communication skills, and to be physically fit to operate cleaning equipment. You should be willing and able to work shifts, especially night shifts, as most facilities are cleaned at night, or rather at the end of production. This after-hours cleaning duty is called deep cleaning, and the reason we call it deep cleaning is because our operator has the opportunity to thoroughly clean the facility and production machinery. The site supervisor. It is ideal that you have at least 2 years of experience in managing a cleaning team. You must have a good understanding of staff management, industrial relations, and you must have a practical understanding of HACCP and how a production site operates. The site manager. You need to be able to manage a team and have a good understanding of the flow of operations in a production environment. Previous experience in production or the cleaning industry is essential. Previous experience in HR-related matters is also essential. A good command of the English language, computer literacy, and a qualification in food technology will also be an advantage. The specialized roles which you can gain access to through experience and hard work at Ecowize are the pest control operator. You need to be a registered technician with a valid P registration number and at least 1 year of working experience. You also need knowledge and understanding of HACCP. The deep clean manager. You must be willing to work only night shifts. You need to be able to manage a team and have good understanding of the flow of operations in a production environment. Previous experience in production or the cleaning industry is essential. A good command of the English language, computer literacy, and a qualification in food technology will be an advantage. The high-level hygiene operator. For this role, you will need some cleaning experience and you must have a valid rope access certificate registered with IRATA. The high-level cleaning supervisor. It is ideal that you have at least 2 years of experience in managing a cleaning team and you must have a valid rope access certificate and valid full arrest certificate. Thank you for watching part 1 of Careers in Food Safety. We hope that you found these careers interesting and that you choose a career path in one of these fascinating fields. In part 2, we'll discuss tips and techniques for developing a CV and conducting yourself during an interview.